So one of my clanmates in my game just started a new operation, and I just wanted to test something out real quick. I wanted to test out a Scorcher Vampire Zuka combination to see if I could solo something real quick. If I don't get the solo, I'm just going to do an opening, but I'm going to come in here. So I'm going to drop a little boost on my masterpieces. And we're going to see if we can actually burn through this op right here. So right here, this September. I'm not going to be using bullets. I'm going to be using Kavan. And hopefully this actually works. So get it. Scorchers with Vampire Zukas. Going to try to keep everything alive. Yeah. Alright, let's see if this works. So far, so good. Nothing has died yet, so we're going to reflare right here. Respawn some stuff. Since our Scorchers are in there taking some damage. Get another respawn out. Wow, this is actually a nice attack right here. Man. Let's go. Alright, get another respawn here. And then we're going to drop a shock right here on top of all those boom cans because those things be killing the Scorchers. Alright. Everything is gathering up into this corner. Look at this. Now, I didn't go after the shield generators because I wanted to see if I could burn through them. Oh, come on, Zukas. Why are you going after the minefield over here? Don't do that. Alright. Clear up that minefield just a bit. Just in case they want to get another second wind to go. Oh, Dr. Kavan is down. That. Alright. Okay. Dr. Kavan died, but that should be fine. As long as the Scorchers stay in front of the Zukas, we should be fine. Gonna drop a couple missiles up here since our missiles are upgraded right now, so we can get through the shield just a bit faster. One minute 7 seconds left. Come on, please drop this shield. Alright. Shield is down. 50 seconds. Oh my god. I actually landed the solo. Solo on Disassembler. Let's go. Vampire Scorchers. Oh my god. This actually worked. Woo! Man. I actually dropped the solo. And if I'm not mistaken, this was the first attack on this operation. Woo! Look at that. First attack solo on this assembler. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Oh. So, Scorcher Vampires do work. Vampire Zuka Scorchers does work. The solo The solo on Dissembler. As y'all saw it, your boy T-Boy here did it. Dropped the solo. Dr. Gavan, Scorchers with Vampire Zookas. It's your boy. I will catch y'all on the next one. Let's go.